Hello everyone, welcome back to this strategy here, and it's called MACD Boss. My name is Emmanuel Odogu. On this strategy, one of the fantastic strategy I've been using to trade. It has been very profitable, and I've done a video on this before, so this is another video to follow up again. Okay, so the strategy is actually MACD boss. So we are using MACD strategy, right? Combined with B0S break of structure. So let's look at this break of structure very fast. We'll try to make this video very fast. So this is on 15 minutes time frame. You can do this on 1 hour time frame, even H4 time frame. If you're going to be using H4 time frame, then you want to do top-down analysis on it. Okay. Now, but for here, as you can see carefully, the structure was actually going upward. So this was the bullish structure. So this is what I mean. So this is a high, right? And of course, this is a low, right? So if you watch, we traded higher, we broke structure, traded above this high to form a new high. Now that's break of structure to the upside. So you look for buying opportunities, right? So and of course, it retraces downward to the moving average here. Then of course we had another break of structure again to the upside. So that's a bullish structure, right? So if you watch carefully, we've been able to shift to the downside. That's break of structure to the downside. So that's a market structure shift. So if you notice, breaking of structure to the upside, we're only breaking these structures here, the highs, we're trading above the highs, we're respecting the lows. So this is the first time in recent price action, if you watch carefully, we have traded below this low to form a new low. So once you trade below the low to form a new low, we see the market have shifted to the downside. So once the market have shifted to the downside, you start looking for selling opportunities, right? So once we have shifted to the downside, you confirm that with your MACD. So if you look at the MACD carefully, the MACD has a zero line. So if you watch our histogram, it's now printing below the zero line. So that's a confirmation. And of course, the candlesticks should be formed below the period simple moving average. So once you see that that's a selling opportunity, you start taking yourselves, right? So if you watch carefully, what I did was I was able to have to draw my area of interest on this particular bearish candlestick, as you can see. So because this was the last bearish candlestick we saw, this was the last bearish candlestick, right? That was taken out before we started moving to the downside. So that becomes what we call an order block. Okay, so if this price retraces even further inside this area, I'm ready to enter more trade. Just like I always do, you enter with a smaller lot size. If it retraces further, you enter with a bigger lot size. So I already have a provision, right, to enter with a bigger lot size just in case there is more retracement inside this area, right? So you set your stop loss just above the recent high, right? Because we are selling, or above the 50 period moving average. Then of course your take profit can be times 2 of that, times 3 of that. Okay, so that's just the strategy. Very, very simple. Now, I think I have another video I did just recently. If you check the YouTube channel, you will see that video. I was able to explain even in more details, but this is just a very fast one, right? So what do? You open the very, very simple strategy you can equally use on your phone, right? You can use the strategy very well on your phone and make good profit for yourself. So guys, if you have been able to get value from the beginning of this video till now, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. You can equally download it, share it with your friends, of course, and start making good money for yourself. So guys, I try to make this particular one really very short. So it's a very simple one. So what you need to do is if you're going to do scalping or short-term trading, just want to do it on maybe H1 time frame or 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, I'm using 15 minutes time frame here. So you make sure the market have shifted to the direction you want to trade. Then you go in, then you use your MACD, right, to confirm the momentum of the market. Then of course you can equally use the moving average to know the trend direction. So all of that put together, you have a high confluence trading direction. You take your trade, you smile home, and of course you make profit for yourself and your family. Come on guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. I try to make this particular one very short because I've already done I've already explained, I've already done a video right, on this MACD boss. Okay, so this is just a follow-up, and of course to explain, to show you that this strategy works, right? So even though it's not 100%, of course it works up to 60 to 70% of the time. And of course, if you're making profit up to that 70% of the time with your good risk management, then you're good to go. You're good to go. So if you got any value, please make sure you comment at the comment section. You have my number, you can call me if there's any confusion. All right, guys, bye for now.